Well, this should be entertaining. It looks packed. No wonder there was oil starvation. Okay. Woo! Look at that. Hit the jackpot there. Fiber, wire, and rubber. Oh, just the rubber. Yay, there's light in there now. All clear. This is going to get a cleaning and go right back on. Looks good. It's been cleaned. I have a new seal here that I've oiled up. I took the install cone out of it, put some around the wiper, and let's push this thing in. That's going to fit just over the crank edge of the bell there. I'm not even going to really torque these. They just need to be tight. Okay. Just like that. And then the cup goes on. And then you have this bearing nut. Almost flush. Got it. New seal installed. And I have a protection plate that goes over that. Alright, so you've got that external Torx 14 and then that one that need to come off, and then the protector will screw onto those bolts. Actually, there's actually new longer ones with the road locker to replace those. See if I can set this camera up somehow. Alright, let me pop those off. I need both hands. You got those. Then we get this. These steel ones go in with the washer. And then this goes on there. Like that. Alright. Once again, I need 2 hands. There we go. Now, there's no chance of a belt running that seal unless it somehow manages to get back behind that, which I don't see that happening. Now we need to clean the surface down there, sealing surface for the oil pan goes, and then we can put the oil pickup back on and put the oil pan back on. Right, let's swap out the driver's mount. I did find the bolt. That is a M8 with a, I believe that, is that a 12 or 14? That is a external Torx 12 head on it. And these are torqued to 42 Newton meters, I believe. And the ones that hold it down onto the chassis mount are external Torx 11s. Oh, I got it the wrong way. Whoops. Oh. Okay, let's see. I think I'm gonna replace this one. This one's got some wear. Like somebody replaced these before. Grab the new one. Yep, that's right. I had to make sure that that was the right direction. Not much room there. That head's starting to freaking strap. You know what? I do believe that's done. Probably should have ordered another bolt. Oh well. That mount is on. And where did I put the... There it is. So I don't lose it. I'm gonna swap the other one out, get this camera out of my way.